What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that like coming into the store here, this is for y'all. This is a in-store customer appreciation event starting January 10th. That is this coming Saturday. We have real-time deals going on right beside me here. I'm gonna overlay some B-roll, of course. This is an in-store promotion off items, reels in particular. Each one is going to be considered like almost like a stock. So each reel is its own separate entity, and we've got 4 different promo pricing or promo benefits that you can get, ranging from 10 all the way up to 25%. Now, the easiest way to explain this is, let's just say we've got a bait OG and we've got 3 of them. One might be 25% off, one might be 10% off, one might be 15% off. First come, first serve on these guys. The sticker is gonna tell you what amount you're gonna get off in store. We've got, again, we've got 10, 15, 20, 25. I might even add some 30% off ones off the stickered price, which is going to be just the normal MSRP. You know, this isn't a promotion to where we're inflating the sticker price. All of our prices across the board, everything, rods, reels, accessories, tackle, are all the minimum price we can actually advertise them for. So you're not getting screwed in any way. This isn't like a Black Friday thing where like a lot of retail stores out there will just say the normal price is like 300, where they're, you know, outside of Black Friday season it's like 200. So this is like an amazing opportunity if you're in the area. We want to support the local anglers that keep us in business. So real-time deals. We've got some amazing reels over here. And I know I keep pointing this way, but I know I can easily overlay footage. So just bear with me on that. But guys, real-time deals, something that we wanted to start up here in January and just run as much as we can throughout the season. So I hope everyone has an amazing January, a start to their 2026. If you need anything from us, of course, comment down below. We've got tons of restocks coming for y'all from the rods, more reels, of course. We've got some amazing swim bait drops happening this month, hopefully, as well as a bunch of other in-store promotions. So make sure to stop on by Lake Pro Tackle. I've got all the addresses and everything down below for y'all. Of course, follow the social media, Instagram and Facebook, for more day-to-day updates on what's happening here at Lake Pro Tackle. And we'll see you in the next video. See you guys.